What's up, sketchers? I believe it's Mario Day today, so happy Mario Day, and I'll show you how to draw Mario with a quick time-lapse at the end. Let's get straight into it. Kick off the drawing by finding approximately a sort of lower centre of the page and draw an oval. Then on top of this, draw a round circle that overlaps and intersects the oval like this. Now we want his chin to sort of like bulge out slightly, and his cheek as well. Although I'd keep the cheek within the circle, but bulge out his chin, and then we'll draw his ear sort of, I guess, a third of the way up the circle that you've drawn. And then we also want to add in his other ear on the other side, which you can do very faintly, as you can see here. And then we'll arch over at the top, joining to the other side, which is the bottom of his hat, and then do the same thing on top of that, making a sort of hill shape. And then we'll draw the M. If you don't understand me, do just look at the video, this might explain it better than I am. But then we want to draw like an egg for his nose, and then we'll also draw a sort of like cloud for his moustache. This is basically like the Mario drawing song at this point, I gotta be honest. But we do also want to draw, obviously, the eyes, which you do by making 3 circles within each other, you know, the coins. And then we'll do it on the opposite side as well, but this time we'll make them sort of face the opposite way because Mario is looking at us. So we'll do this on the opposite side, like this, and also leaving a highlight, and also colour the inner circle in using your pencil. And then we'll draw a sort of like semicircle underneath that, which will be his mouth, a little circle in between, divide the mouth up into 2 with a line. Then we'll draw his eyebrows, which you do by drawing 2 arches. And that's his face. Now we'll just draw the rim of his hat and the extra strand of hair on the opposite side. And yeah, now that's his face. Moving on to the body, we want the body to sort of replicate and follow the circle, or the oval that we did at first, and then draw sort of like, I guess, square following the shape of the circle, if you know what I mean. If you don't understand, just look at the screen. And we want 2 ribbons, which are sort of like pointing out at the bottom, and then we'll draw 2 circles in each of them, which will be the buttons. We're now drawing his overalls. Let's move on to his sleeves now. And to draw the sleeves, we want to actually etch out of the circle like this and draw sort of like points. Then we'll go back on ourselves, and then we'll start drawing the gloves, which can be done like this. This will be very hard to explain, so just sort of follow what I'm doing. Feel free to also pause as well, and then we'll also make sure to do the little small things on his gloves. I'm not entirely sure what they're called, but that's also very important to making everything realistic to Mario. And now we'll draw his trousers, which are drawn like this. Sorry for my hand being in the way. Then join these trousers together by using a curve, one that points down, one that points up, like I've just shown. And then we'll draw the boots, which we go down and curve all the way around again, joining back to the trousers again. And then we'll do the same on the other side, but this time point the shoes outwards, like this. And then we'll draw the arm, which is done by curving a line that sort of aligns with the moustache a little bit, and another line that sort of continues on from that. And then we'll join this together with another curve, like this. Then we'll draw another sort of curve around this, and then we'll draw a sort of like mitten shaped hand like this. And last but not least, we'll then draw little lines dividing each of the individual fingers up like this. And with that, Mario is finished. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, but now I'm going to actually do a quick colouring in session. You can colour it in your own way, whatever you like. If you do want to see a full breakdown on how to shade in Mario, then make sure to request it in the comments. But other than that, please do enjoy the time lapse. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy your Mario Day if you're watching on March the 10th. Other than that, hope you've enjoyed. Enjoy the rest of your day. This was quite a nice tutorial to make, and I'll see you in the next video. Catch you later!